Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Slay.One-ShOtGuN. That was a bit weird. Well, we're back on Slay.One again. I never noticed. There's a weird red thing as I tap. I'm clicking. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a battle or a map with Ethan, aka the Dolphin Boss. Go check out his channel. I will put a link in the description. Do you want to do a Meet 2.0 capture the flag 7 out of 24 players? Join blue. There's somebody on the red team named. Oh, they've hacked. They're probably hacking. Is that a bad guy? Oh, no, okay, no. That's my armor. I'm just gonna wait here. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah. It's kind of weird because I went right over the armor just as it 7 out of there should be actually 8 now out of 20. I'm trying to fight this guy with. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Okay, what the heck? It's so laggy.
Okay, that's it.
It's so laggy.
Yep, join the team, Noah, and that's with it. Noah, I can't join the team.
Okay, well.
It's really laggy. Should we do a different game? It's gonna be even laggier for the viewers. Noah, join a different game. Oh, I got on your team.
You did?
It's so laggy. Should we get into it?
Yeah, I got into a different match. Okay, that match is way too laggy.
Yeah.
There's this swamp normal death match. 8. There will be 9 out of 12.
Okay. So Noah team, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I know the swamp. I know this map. I know it very well. What the heck?
I'm pretty good.
There's this guy just lurking with them.
I'm actually.
He just doing over so much.
So actually,
he was moving so fast. He was reloading so fast. What the heck is wrong with my mouse?
So I'm deciding that the first weapon.
No, something's wrong with my mouse.
Okay.
Look at my screen.
I know that's the same with mine. But
maybe the screen capitalizes.
okay. But anyway, so I've sort of made a game idea. So every time I see a weapon on a map, I'm gonna keep quitting maps so that I can go to new ones. But this is on purpose.
That will make you look like a rage quitter.
No, but I'm doing this on purpose. So the point is, every time I'm gonna keep getting on different maps, and the first weapon I find is the weapon I'm gonna use that whole entire time. Except if. So right now, I'm gonna use shotgun, but I'm holding another weapon to make me look scary until I can find my shotgun. Shotgun was the first weapon I picked up on this match. I kind of picked up a bad weapon.
I'm looking for a medikit. What the heck? He just spawned and killed me. No, he spawned and he had a remote control launcher.
What?
He spawned. I saw it because he had the invincibility thing, and then he spawned with the remote control launcher in his hand. It said I was killed by the remote control launcher.
Wait, I'm confused. Did you actually see him moving around before? Or did you
spawn and fired, and he had a remote control launcher?
Did you see him spawn though?
Yeah, he spawned and he had a remote control launcher and then he fired.
So you watched him spawn? That's just kind of weird. You just watch somebody spawn.
Hey, there's somebody really bad on the other side.
There's this guy named Ellie Crack or something.
Don't go in.
That bomb should have gone off by now. Oh, he's pretty much dead. El Crack, El Rack or something. I can't read it. Hey, you shot me.
You were in the way.
That's true.
Oh,
Logic argues again.
Oh, God. Oh, I see.
I just sat right there. Oh, I see this. I see El Crack again. It's a weird name. I don't really know why somebody would name themselves El Crack. striker and he's trying to shoot me.
Oh, this is like a minute too. I thought I was gonna die, so I put it down in a grenade, but then I stayed alive barely.
No.
I see another guy named Strayed Hound or something. Oh, Strong Boy? What's Strong Boy?
Strong boy.
Strong Boy.
He already killed me before.
I'm gonna sit here right now with.
Dude, that guy just killed me with a shotgun. These people are hacking.
Time for shotgun again. It's kind of weird because I never use shotgun. I mean, I'm using weapons that I never use. I mean, it really doesn't mean that it's a bad weapon. I mean, I just never use it.
No, it is a bad weapon.
I mean, it's not a bad weapon for noobs. I'm talking about you.
Daniel, team against water. Oh, that's
I just fired so much. Oh, you want to go low? You want to low?
There's Strong Boy again.
Look, that guy just spawned again with a remote control. That's the exact same guy.
No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. That's surrender train. Surrender. Yo, we're killing water.
I'm a banana. This is so laggy. No, it's not laggy for you.
Sort of. I have Strong Boy out me again.
That's you?
Okay, I'm decided to hit this guy.
I have a bunch of people trying to fight me with laser guns. It's honestly sort of stupid. I mean, it's really stupid, but still, it's kind of stupid.
You just said it was really stupid. It was kind of stupid. It isn't really stupid.
Ah, no, that's not what I meant to fire. What the heck? No, I'm out of ammo. That's bad. That is really, really bad.
I got Master Guardian. I'm gonna go here. This dude didn't even fire.
Wow, I just killed myself. I was in the bottom right corner right now.
It's too old.
What the heck, Striker? I see you, Striker. Well, I got my shotgun. There's this guy named like Sweeney trying to kill me.
This game is so laggy.
Do you want to do a different?
Elrac and Kendrick.
Do you want to do a different match?
This is just too laggy. I want to get the chest.
But we have to wait another 2 minutes then.
It doesn't matter. It's just 2 minutes.
My shotgun's doing like 0 damage.
What the heck? It is so laggy. I can't even fire. Yes! See, I can barely even move.
Hey, good news! I found you. Wait, you might want to get away from this. Yay. Sorry. He killed me, but I killed him. No, but that saved my life. No, he killed me. No, he literally killed me before I killed him with my turret. So, and I had 0. Well, I had 0 points at that time, so he couldn't steal any. But then I gained 15 from him.
Can you guys hear Noah?
I know. I like talking. Well, we have a problem. I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. Well, I mean, this has been the Ocelot Boss. Ow.
Why do you need to end it?
Because I do.
Why?
Goodbye. Yay.
Wait, really?